biggest tip that has really helped me gain so much length and volume is the fact that I was able to reduce excessive shedding and breakage. Guys, once you are able to reduce excessive shedding and breakage, you will definitely see length and volume. In this video, I am going to be teaching you this powerful recipe that you can use on every wash day to be able to reduce excessive shedding and breakage. I've said this severally. Once your hair is shedding and breaking off excessively, you will not be able to see length and volume. Your hair may be growing out every single month, but you see it shed off. You see so much of it on the floor. You keep seeing it breaking. So guys, this remedy consists of green tea and coffee. These are powerful ingredients that block DHT. That is the hormone that causes hair loss. So in this video, I am going to be teaching you exactly how to make this and also how to use it. I also say this severally. Once you use DIYs the wrong way, it may affect you badly. And guys, these two things are really drying. Yes, you should know that. So you cannot just make this and pour on your hair. Nope, it doesn't work that way. You have to use it the right way. So stick to the end of the video and do not skip any part. Do not skip any process. So guys, the first ingredient I will be introducing is the green tea. You can make use of any kind of green tea. This is the brand I am using. Any green tea at all. As you can see, it has other ingredients like honey. You can make use of any brand that you have. If you don't have green tea, you can make use of black tea. Yes, actually, you can make use of black tea if you do not have green tea. So guys, green tea promotes hair growth primarily through its rich antioxidants EGCG, which blocks the hormone DHT. That is the leading cause for hair thinning, like I said earlier. Its caffeine also stimulates scalp blood circulation. It delivers more nutrients to the follicles, while anti-inflammatory properties soothe the scalp and reduces shedding. I'm sure you can hear of how powerful this is. So the next ingredient is coffee. This is the brand I will be making use of. I'm sure a lot of you know this particular brand, and please just note that you can make use of any brand at all. It must not be this one I am holding. So guys, this caffeine in coffee stimulates blood circulation to the hair follicles. It prolongs the active growth phase and helps block the hair loss hormone DHT. Can you now see that green tea and coffee are two powerful combination that you can use on your wash day? Yes, please make sure you're using it on your wash day. This particular recipe on your wash day. So guys, the first thing you will want to do is to add in 1 bag of your green tea. Yes, this is a batch for just 1 wash day. Yep. So I'll just add in about half tablespoon of coffee. Yes, like I said, this batch is just for 1 wash day, and then I'll go ahead to add in hot water. Yes, I boiled my water earlier, and this is distilled water. If you do not have distilled water, please make use of very clean water. Make sure that your water is not hard water. Do not ever make use of hard water for any kind of DIY. Even when you want to wash your hair, please do not make use of hard water, because it is just going to worsen your hair situation. Hard water breaks off the hair. It leaves the hair so dry, and it leads to serious breakage. So guys, I'm just going to allow this sit for about 1 hour. Yes, for 1 hour, because you know that we didn't boil this. We just put in hot water, and this is 1 cup of hot water. Yes, this is about 1 cup of hot water. And guys, trust me when I say that a lot of people use this. If you think I'm lying, just check on the internet for green tea or coffee for reducing shedding and breakage. You can go ahead to search it up for yourself, and you're going to see a lot of testimonies from people that have used this over time and it is still working for them till date. So guys, after 1 hour, I will just go ahead to sieve this out. Yes, you can use a cheesecloth or whichever kind of sieve that you have. Just make sure that you're sieving it out properly. Yes guys, and so this is already ready for use. This is what we have, and then you can go ahead to add in any oil if you want. You can add in any kind of essential oil that you want to make use of, but I will not be adding in any essential oil because I've already pre-pulled my hair with oil. So guys, this is how to use. You have to use it on a freshly washed hair. So this hair right here is freshly washed, yeah, properly washed, and then you just go ahead to spray it all over your scalp and then your hair. Most people say that you should focus mainly on your scalp. Yes, you can focus mainly on your scalp, but some people like me, sometimes I spray it on my hair strands. Yep. So guys, after doing this, you will have to massage this into your scalp properly. Make sure that you're massaging it deep into your scalp. So guys, the next thing I will be doing is to cover this up for about 10 to 20 minutes. Yes, 10 to 20 minutes is just fine for this, and then you just go ahead to rinse this off. After rinsing this off, please, this is one important step that you should never ever miss at all. Don't ever miss it. That step is deep conditioning. You will have to deep condition your hair. Yes, and you have to do it properly. After deep conditioning your hair, you just cover it up for 30 minutes and then you rinse off your hair, and then you just go ahead to moisturize your hair. So this is how to use green tea and coffee the right way. Yes, this is how to do it. If you don't understand anything I've said, please ask me in the comment section. I will respond. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share to so many people that love hair growth DIY recipes like this. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.